Hello and welcome to the first box break for Hobbids.com. First, I'd like to congratulate the Boston Bruins on their Stanley Cup championship. I guess in honor of them, we will open up some Decades hockey from in the game. Alright, so here we go. Alright, right on top we have Larry Robinson from the Montreal Club. Open that up. Alright, I've seen quite a few videos of this, and it looks like a great product. So hopefully this one's pretty good too. There's Larry Robinson. Decades rookie Doug Gilmour. And we have Battle of New York with Bryant Trottier and Phil Esposito. Alright. Let's see. Decades 80's trophy winners Gary Suter. Calder Trophy 1985-86. And let's see what variation this is. Silver variation. I think those are to 30 usually. And next, another silver variation, Paul Coffey. Nice seam, 2 colors. Oh, what do we got here? Let's see. Decades 80's rivalries. Glenn Anderson, Grant Fuhr, Ron Hextall, and Brian Propp. Those are nice seams. And gold variation. Nice. I don't know what those are numbered to. Look it up. That's one thing I don't like, is that they don't put the numbers on the actual card. And Decades. Insert numbers. And Decades. Rivalries. Gold. 10 of each. Sweet. Alright, next card. Kelly Bookberger. And Guy Carbonneau from Montreal. And last one, John Harrington, Team USA. Alright, there it is. All cards will be posted on Hobbids. And a little bit about Hobbids. It's a penny auction website. It's a lot like the site BZID, if you've seen commercials for that site. Basically, the model is that you buy the right to bid on something. You buy bids for a set amount of money, and then once you see an auction you bid on it, and whoever's the last person to bid wins the auction for the price that it went up to, and it's usually pennies on the dollar. But here's a little preview. We're still working out the bugs, but we will be launching very soon. Thanks for watching, and make sure you check out the site. Thank you.